Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Yvonne. Today what I done was an experiment. I decided that I'm going to experiment and see how I can come up with this choker, and I'm quite pleased with the results. It is a lovely chunky glitter and I just sprayed glue on it and it just came out perfect. I'm wearing it now and I love it, and guys, I want to share my knowledge with you. Please keep watching. Right, so here I've just got some, I've got a ribbon, and here's my glitter that I'll be using. It's this glitter here. Then I've just got some glue, fabric glue. Then I'm using this as well, some black tape, and just the scissors just to help cut the black tape. Right, so here I've just got this ribbon, and it's about 70 centimeters and it's about 2 centimeters wide. And I'm going to be using my tape, which is here, and I'm just going to bring it up so I kind of get to the middle of this, like so. So this is going to be my middle, and I just want to pinch it so I know that's my middle. And then I want to get my tape and I want to roughly eyeball it and just pin one side down like this and cut. And I'm going to do the same on the other side. So it should just look like this. And I'm just using the tape just to kind of like not make the diamantes go all over the place, so it's like a guide for me. So the next step that I want to do once I've got everything in place, I just want to get some glue and I'm going to just start gluing. So therapeutic. Love doing crafty work, it's so nice. So once I've got my glue in most areas, I'm now just going to get like just a standard knife, just to kind of like spread it even. So yeah, this is what the glue should roughly look like. And then I'm going to get my knife and just spread it along, just so that the glue reaches everywhere. And this is the best way that I found to do this. And yeah. So I've got my glue down, which everything should be okay now to now start placing the glitter. So here I'm just going to be using the glitter as I showed you in the beginning, and I'm just going to start sprinkling the glitter. Now I want to sprinkle the glitter all where I can see the glue, so I'm just going to keep going like this, and I am using the cloth underneath so that I can control the glitter as well, because this gets everywhere. And I just keep sprinkling all where I've glued. So I am going to the other end, and then just keep on, just keep going with the glitter. You're not using too much, but you don't want to be skimpy on it as well. You really want to get that glitter all over. So now that I'm happy with the amount of glitter I've got on it, now I want to just bring it up out of place, like so, and then I just want to start shaking it, just so that I can take off the excess. And then with this side, which I've glued down earlier, just want to peel that back. See, it just controls it. And then I want to do the same on the other side. And there you have it. Just keep shaking it because you want as much glitter to come off of this so that it doesn't end up on your skin. And that's it. So easy to make and it's so effective. Guys, thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I really appreciate it. Guys, if you'd like to share, subscribe, please stay posted with me as I've got so much that I want to share with you. I'm really pleased about this, honestly, and there's more to come from me. Guys, thank you so much once again. See you in my next tutorial. Bye.